soda.
Baking soda.
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
And this is cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Yeah. And what is this?
What is this?
Corn flour.
Corn flour. This is right ingredient.
Ingredients. Very good.
We need 2 cups wheat flour. 2 tablespoons corn flour. Baking powder. Baking soda. 2 cups powdered sugar.
Yeah, Mom.
Cocoa powder. आपने वो बता दो उसे.
We mix wet ingredients.
This is the curd. This is milk. This is condensed milk. This is vanilla essence. We add curd. Half cup oil. Half cup milk. Now tablespoon vanilla essence. Now mix up. Mix. We add half cup oil. Wow, bubbly. Mix, bubble. Mix our cake. Boil in a cake. Now we
Apply butter in tin.
हमरा मध्य चॉकलेट बनी जैसे. हमरा मध्य चॉकलेट बनी. और मिक्सी चॉकलेट. वाह, कूल. आपने बहुत सारा केक बना. स्टिकी और
Yes.
So, hello everyone. Today we will make
Cake.
Eva have already made the cake. So now we will decorate. Okay? Are you excited? So first, what Eva will do? Come. This is Eva's favorite color, which is pink.
Wow.
Come. We will mix the color. Stand up. So we'll put few drops of the color and then mix with the spoon. Mix it. This. And it is going. Which color it is? Pink. Yes. So Auntie will help Eva in this. Okay. Is it becoming pink? We are making it light pink. So we used gel color for this. We need little bit. Okay. So now, yes, our cream is ready, right? So now what Eva will do, we have a piping bag here with a rosette tip. This is a start tip nozzle and we will make a beautiful flower on top of this cupcake, okay? So fill it. Fill the cream here. Fill the cream here. Take the cream and put it inside. More cream. You need a lot of cream. Lot of cream. Take a lot of cream. Yeah, this much. We need a lot of cream. Huh? And then come. Yes. We will take it like this and keep it like this and fill it this way. So there is no bubbles inside. Okay? Now hold it. Hold it by your hands. Just like that. Yeah. Here. And we will decorate. Push and round and round and round. Yes, again. Push round and round and round. Again a flower. And the last one. Come, do that. Push and round and round. And this is done. Now Eva will decorate this with her favorite sprinkle. Which one Eva likes? Take this one and put it like that. Many, lots of. More. Wow. On this one. And the last one. So this is done. Now we will Yeah, we'll decorate the cake. Yes. Now we will keep these cupcakes aside, and we will decorate the cake. So for that we need to take it out from the mold. So how to do this? We need to do that, and then little push here, and like this. You have to run a spoon knife here. Put the plate on top and turn it like this. And the cake should come out. Yay! This is a nice cake. So now what we will do, again we will fill the pink cream, okay?
Pink cream?
Yes! We will put the pink cream inside. And
Yes,
matching also matching. So now, just like this, and come, touch it, hold it here strongly, and just do like this. Okay, we will spread it. Okay. Now hold it.
One second.
Yes. Hold it, and we will just spread it like this. Okay. We will just rotate the plate little bit, and we are doing spreading of the cream. Okay. Slowly. Is Eva enjoying? And the hands are dirty. It is okay, we can clean it later. Okay. Now the sides, okay? You take the sprinkles and this time which sprinkle you will take? This time Eva will take the hard sprinkle. See. It is done now. Now we will make flowers on top of it also. You want to make flowers? Yeah. So we will take it again and fill some cream.
Yeah, you are right.
It is done. Put it aside. And Eva is excited. Hold it. Cross. Push. Again push. A little bit of cream is coming out. Just like before here. Strongly. And we will make flowers. Rotate. Round. Stop. Again. Push. Round. Stop. Another last one. Push. Round. Stop. Is it looking nice? You like it? Now put the sprinkles. This one. Put it in on top of the cake. Take it. Wow. Use all of them. Use all of them. Can I help you? No. We need to clean this base little bit. More. It's done. Okay. You want more? Put them, all of them. Here and here. Here. And little bit here. And here also. So, Eva has made the cake and now she has decorated the cake and the cupcakes. So, we have rainbow sprinkled cupcakes and a chocolate cake decorated with which color cream?
Pink.
Because Eva loves pink. So, this is how you can decorate simply, like with normal cream. If you have the cream at home, you can use these simple things and you can decorate the cake at home. Even Eva can decorate a cake at home. Is it? So how did you enjoy today? Great. Auntie also enjoyed a lot with Eva. Okay. So bye bye everyone. Say bye bye. And we will see you next time.
Next time.
Okay. Bye bye.